One of the ways of reducing the odds of receiving a Revenue Canada audit is to get the tax return done right the first time. But sometimes life happens. The most likely instance is you've received a T slip, like a T5 or a T3 slip, for example, that has some more income that needs to be added to your tax return. It's going to be aggravated. It's probably going to cost you a few more dollars. It's not the end of the world. It's not going to result in a black mark by your name, for example. On the other hand, if, perhaps because of a rushed assignment, that tax return is filed, but you decide after the fact to take a different tax position on something. So a couple of examples. Originally you file as if the transaction was a capital gain, and now you want it to be income. Yes, believe it or not, where corporations are involved, that's potentially a desirable outcome. Or maybe you have capitalized some expenditures or costs that upon reflection you wish you would have expensed in repairs and maintenance, for example. Well, it's not that it can't be changed. It's to say, you're going to have to come armed with a fair bit of information and a great excuse because you've just shown Revenue Canada or a judge that ultimately your first analysis or that of your advisors was X, and now you think it's Y after further reflection. You're going to have, as I said, quite the explanation. More reason to try to the degree possible not to have rushed assignments, get the information in as soon as possible, and in that fashion, again, reduce the odds of having to make changes after the fact. I'm George Duby, saving the world from tax, one bow tie at a time.
For tax saving and wealth building tips, subscribe to my newsletter. Check out the next video in the series. I want to help you do wonderful things.